Hi guys, and welcome to Buy Direct Online. In this short video I'd like to talk about the angled ergonomic footrest. I'd like to talk about how it comes, what it looks like, and also go over the benefits and features of this footrest. So as you can see, it comes boxed and we send them out right around Australia like this. They're a fast, quick ship item and we carry plenty in stock. So let's get it open and see what this looks like and go over the benefits of a footstool like this. So here we go. Excellent, it's very well packaged inside. Some bubble wrap just to make sure that it arrives in perfect condition. Okay, so here we have our footrest, and the first thing you'll notice with this footrest is that the top actually rocks. So it rocks on an angle. We'll just turn it around. There we go. So you can actually see that when you've got your feet positioned on this footrest, you can actually rock them backwards and forwards, which is really nice throughout the day. If you're on a footrest that's fixed and your foot's just stationary, it's not good for blood flow, and this really helps you to stimulate blood flow and keep you active, and you're actually doing something, you're moving. So it's quite a nice feature of this particular footrest is that rocking motion. And of course, if you put pressure down, well, it will stay in the one position and then you can rock it back. Now you'll notice these raised sections on the top of this footrest. This is like a massage. So when you've got your shoes on, you won't notice it. It'll just give you some grip. But you can take your shoes off and actually use these little points as massages for the bottom of your feet. Really, really nice just to move your feet around on top of here, and it really helps to stimulate blood flow once again in your feet. If you get cold feet, it's the perfect thing for that throughout the day. Now, just quickly looking on the underside of, just want to point out these 4 stoppers that we've got here. They're actually a soft rubbery style product, which helps with the grip. So here we've got it on a fairly smooth surface, and as you can see, it's gripping quite well. So if you're going to put it on tiles or a wooden floor, it'll grip quite well. It won't mark the floor at all, and you won't be having it sliding around. So that's quite a nice benefit of this little stool. Now, I just want to show you the adjustments. So that's at its lowest point. There's a little set of adjustments in here. Now it's got 3 points of adjustment, so 3 heights of adjustment. So that's at its lowest point. Now if we just pull this up here, so you've got this little bar that comes up and locks in, that's actually raised it up. Now hoping you can see this in the video, that's raised the footrest up, so it's quite a bit higher now, and it still rocks, still got that same ergonomic motion, but it's been raised up higher. So depending on the height that you need your footrest at, you can actually change the height of this footrest. So that's the second height. Now it's got a third height. So if we just pull it up and go up again and lock it in on its final height, as you can see, that's quite high. So it's got some really good adjustment in this footrest. And once again, it still has the rocking motion, which if you apply pressure on it, like so, it's not going to rock. But there you go. Look, if you can see that, it's quite a high, or quite a lot of adjustment that it's actually got. And it's very easy to adjust. You saw how easy that was. You just lift up this little section there, drop it down into the next section. It's got a bar that runs through. So very, very simple adjustment. And that's at the number 2 level, as we should call it, I guess. And lift it up again to bring it down to the starting point. So level 1, and then once again, go up. Level 2. So as you can see, quite simple to adjust, and go up again, and that is the highest point that it goes to. Now I trust this video's been helpful and shows you this footrest, shows you what it looks like in the real life, and also how to adjust it and the adjustments that's actually on this footrest. So a lot of people have been asking us, what does it actually do? So as you can see, it rocks. It's got those 3 level of adjustments. It comes with a 12-month factory warranty. And if you'd like to know any more information about this footrest, please reach out to us today. Thanks very much for watching.